Hi everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to apply those really big stones on a nail. So I've already gone ahead and applied this color as my base. Just, a plain color. It's a lovely color, but some might think it's a little bit boring. So we're gonna spice it up with some serious bling. First I'm going to start off with my acrylic gel. And I am just going to apply, let's see, I want it like a little bit off center. So, no need to use a spatula in my opinion. As long as you don't touch the skin or anything, you don't have to use a spatula. This is my brush. I've damaged it a little bit with cleaning. It's my acrylic brush. I think you can compare it to an oval 2 brush, a gel brush. So I've got a square-like gem. So I need to keep in mind of how big it is. And I'm just going to, blend the acrylic gel into the nail. I never work with alcohol or a slip solution or whatever when I'm using my acrylic gel. The only brush I ever use is this small brush. Let me see it up close for a moment. I just needed to look at it a little bit up close so I can see if I've done it correctly. So I made a blend into the nail, but I also made like I left like a little blob on top. I made a mistake. Let me take this off real quick. Second step I am going to use is my top gel no cleanse, of course, because I don't want to have any sticky layer after I'm done, or all kinds of stuff is going to get in between and stuck, and it's going to look gross and nasty. Just a very small, very thin layer, nothing too thick. So it's a no wipe top gel. Next, I am going to apply my big stone. Like that. So I really squished it in there. Next, of course, if you'll leave it like that, your hair and everything will get stuck, behind it. Not something you want. So I'm just going to reduce the risk of that happening by getting some crystals in there. Like that. And of course you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do exactly like I do, of course. I mean, we all have our own ways, our own methods. That's the only thing. You do need to check it from time to time if it's still in place. That's also because of the no wipe top gel that it's going to slide a little bit. Let me get some caviar beads. And this is just a demo nail, so you know you can. I'm not going to go full out. Just going to show you how I work with this. Got myself some acrylic gel there. I'm sorry I didn't pay attention if I was still in frame. And of course you could use smaller rhinestones to fill up those gaps, or you know, you can take it all the way down, or you know, you can just do whatever you want. No rules, obviously. Just your own taste and your client's wishes. Okay, that's pretty good. And usually I just take my brush and I just go alongside. Yeah, I don't want a big blob at the free edge. So I'm going to cure that. And that's cured. And that's like a really quick, you know, bling tutorial, bling design, just really quick. But you see how easy it is, you know. You can even go, after this is cured, you can still, you know, put some extra gel here just to make sure it's really rock solid, you know. But this will last about 3 to 4 weeks, no problem. This is how I attach my big stones on myself and my clients, and as you can see, it's just perfect. Well, at least for me it is. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial, and let me know if you're going to recreate something like this, or if you've used the technique, or even let me know if it doesn't work for you. It's all good, and I wish you all a very good day, and goodbye.